So let's get into it. The amount of packaging in these boxes is extraordinary. So they are really designed to go around the country. First up, you'll get this plastic sleeve. So in the event that you have to return it for service or anything like that, wrap your printer up just so it doesn't make a mess in the box and in the post. You also get a CD for installation and a list of instructions. Now into the foam packaging. We have foam at the top. I'm just going to throw that on the floor because there's a fair bit of it. These cardboard strips, everything is wrapped up in plastic. The inks come in this lovely little compartment on the side and then into the printer. Don't know if I'm going to be able to lift this out on the desk. It's rather heavy. Oh no, there we go. So we'll just shake off the plastic and bring it over this side here. That looks about it. And then get into the inks. You open the knife. There we go. So 6 inks. You've got a photo black, the black, yellow, magenta, cyan, and a grey. So the grey gives a whole new dimension to your photos and your power cord. Now there is a whole heap of blue tape on these printers. So what we'll do is we'll whip through that very quickly and remove all of those.